Welcome to the definitive 20-minute masterclass on the 60/20/20 framework. The world of 2005 is gone, and the rules that worked then are failing now. Today, we're building your financial fortress for 2026. We'll explore the economic history, the biology of your spending, and the advanced strategies used by top earners. This is more than a budget.
It's a map to total freedom. Let's start with part 1, the economic shift.
In 2005, the average person spent 25% of their income on housing. Inflation was steady at 2%. Popularized by Senator Elizabeth Warren, the 50/30/20 rule assumed a safe middle-class life, where rent was manageable and inflation was predictable. But over the last 2 decades, the foundations of that world have dissolved. We've seen a decoupling
of wages from productivity and a surge in basic costs that no percentage-based rule could predict. To move forward, we must face the 2026 reality.
Housing is the most significant factor in this shift. In 2026, the rent-to-income ratio has reached a breaking point in global hubs like Singapore and New York. Essential housing now consumes 45% or even 60% of net income. When half your income is gone before you even eat, the old 50% needs rule is a mathematical impossibility.
It's not about poor choices. It's about a global supply imbalance and the transition to a renter society. Your home should be a foundation, not a trap. Inflation in 2026 is about more than prices. It's about a rebasing of survival. Essential costs, from energy to groceries, have rebased at a significantly higher level. We've seen real-term grocery costs jump 30% in 3 years. This volatility makes fixed rules dangerous. You need a system that breathes with the market, protecting your essentials while building your future security. Energy costs are now a major budget line. Reclaiming your baseline power starts with data-backed awareness.
The digital transformation has rewired our behavior. In 2026, every dollar has a digital footprint. We're looking at how global connectivity and fintech have accelerated the speed of money, making manual budgeting as outdated as a paper check. To win, you need to leverage the tools that automate your awareness. In the next part, we'll look at the biology of why we spend.
This was Chapter 1, the economic shift. We've seen the data and the history. Now that we understand the shift, it's time to look at the biology. Join me in Part 2, where we dive deep into the psychology of money and how to hack your own brain for success. Hit like, subscribe, and let's build your 2026 fortress together. I'll see you in the next one.